Hey guys, welcome back to Homemaking Heaven. I'm Kristen, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my spring cleaning plans, my decorating, and also just what videos will be coming up leading up to Easter. I hope that you guys will join me. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I do a ton of videos on cleaning motivation, decluttering, organizing. I talk a little bit about how I've been trying to become a minimalist, and of course, obviously, anything homemaking. So if that interests you, I would love to have you here, and definitely leave me a comment because I love getting to talk to you guys in the comments and getting to know you and where you guys are from. All right, guys, I moved in here because I took my 3-year-old to school. I did not get to finish up as I was filming in my bedroom to start out, but I didn't want to lose the intro. So here I am. I've got my coffee in my hand. I'm ready to get some things done this morning. But the main reason I wanted to film this video is just to kind of motivate you to get ready to spring clean with me and just tell you guys what I'm planning on doing. I found a list on Pinterest that I really think is a good list to follow for my spring cleaning. So I will be linking that down below if you guys are interested in following me along on the same list, or if you've got your own, that's perfectly fine. I just want to motivate you in whatever way that I can. I plan to do room to room instead of just saying like all windows and all dusting. I've done that in the past, and if it works for you, definitely do the best for you guys. But for me, I like to go room to room. It makes me feel a little bit less overwhelmed, although spring cleaning is overwhelming, I'll just be honest. But I think for me, it's just a little less overwhelming if I do room to room. So that's my plan for that. Of course, in the next, probably next week, after next week, I will be bringing out my Easter decor, and I will be doing some decorating videos with that. Now, I will not be purchasing anything new unless I absolutely see something that I feel like I just have to have that, and will have it for years and years. But I will not be purchasing anything new. I am pretty much full on the one tub that I have. I have a rule with how many containers I'm allowed to have for each holiday, and Easter is 1 container, so I'm about almost full with that. I hope that you guys will enjoy seeing me put up what I already do have, and hopefully some of those items are still sold in the stores, so I'll be able to link some of those in the description box when I actually film that video. I'm hoping to move outside, but right now, as you can see in my windows behind me, the weather has been terrible here in Georgia, and it has just not been that great to get outside and clean the front porch and do everything I need to do out there. So if you guys want to see anything spring cleaning related, I also wanted to say definitely, ask me or leave that in the comments. I will try to fit that in. I am planning on doing more recipe videos and more decluttering after I do my spring cleaning. I think it'll just be better. I'm kind of looking around that I just go ahead and do my spring cleaning. I also probably will not be able to film the entire house spring cleaning because I think that would just take like a really long time, because obviously when I'm moving the camera, it takes longer to do that. I hope that you guys will join me for my spring cleaning and decorating, and I hope that you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one, and as always, much love. Bye.